So, is it time to upgrade my dash cam? Well, let's find out. Hi everyone, and welcome to Chasing Adventures. And one of my most viewed video was me installing a dash cam on the Subaru Outback Wilderness. And that video was exactly a year ago. And when Vanture asked me to review their product, I wanted to see if it's worth the upgrade, or if this is going to be your first dash cam, this might be the one to get. So let's see what's all in the box, and we'll go over the specs first. And be sure to stay till the end, as I'll have actual footages from both of the dash cam, including night footages at the end of the video. So we have the dash cam with front facing camera, and one for the interior, and the rear camera, and the GPS mount for the front camera, a DC power supply, panel crowbar, wires to connect the cameras, adhesion promoter, a user guide, electrostatic stickers, and a warning stickers. The camera feels solid and well made, and it's got some weight to it, and I always appreciate good packaging, which this didn't disappoint. Now, this is advertised as 4K camera, and like most of the dash cams, only the front facing camera is 4K and the rest is 1080p. And it uses Sony Starvis 2 chip for clear footage, and it also has built-in 3.19-inch IPS LCD screen, and you could control the dash cam with free app or with voice command. Now that's kind of cool. And the system has built-in GPS logger, collision detection, and a parking mode, and it can support up to 512 gigabyte of memory card, which is essential in the case of an accident. And while that sounds great and all, does it live up to the specs? Let's go ahead and install it and see if it does. And since I already had the dash cam installed on the driver's side of the car, I'll go ahead and install this one on the passenger side. And since this is going to be test only for me, I'm not going to run the wires, but to run it, you're going to pop open this A-frame pillar cover and run the power wire behind the airbag down into the glove box, and you're going to find a cigarette jack port in there, and that's where I had the current dash cam plugged in for power. And rest of the wire will be tucked under the headliner and all the way through the rear of the car, and hide it behind the rear covering, which they pop right out. And you could either have the wires coming out like this, or you could cut open a small hole here and have the wires come out of it, so it'll look cleaner. So after looking at it more thoroughly, the best ideal place to put this dash cam is maybe about right here. Because I was thinking putting it here, but I totally forgot that we have the interior camera. And if you put this where my other dash cam is, it's gonna be blocked by the rear view mirror, and it's gonna be pointless to have the interior camera. And you can't put it here because it's gonna be blocked by the eyesight camera. So ideally, this should be the best position for this camera. But for our test purposes, I'm just gonna mount it here to have a comparable footage between the two cameras. Oh, and if this video is being informative so far, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And check out my other Subaru related videos too, because everything I've done to the car, I made a video of it. All right, now that the wiring is all finished, let's see the test footage. Hi guys, so as soon as I installed the dash cam, it started to pour. So this is a different day, a sunny day, that I'm recording this. And I just wanted to test out the interior camera's noise or sound quality. Hope it's good, and we'll have a night footage as well. Hi guys, so as soon as I installed the dash cam, it started to pour. So this is a different day, a sunny day, that I'm recording this, and I just wanted to test out the interior camera's noise or sound quality. I hope it's good, and we'll have a night footage as well. Comparing them to each other, the VANTRUE definitely has an advantage compared to my other dash cam. The footage is much more vivid and crisp, and the nighttime footage has less noise. And besides the crispy clear footages, the plus benefit is that it has an interior camera, which I didn't think it was all that necessary, but for certain cases, and I hope to God that none of us has to go through those situations. But if you get robbed or something happens inside your car, well, you have proof of the incident. And I think it's a must-have for rideshare drivers. Or on a positive side, maybe you're out in town with your buddies and someone makes a funny joke, or a moment where you wish you had a camera recording them goofing off. Well, this will record it, and now you can share with the world. And the app is very intuitive and easy to use, and love the fact that you could control all the menus from the app. And there are a ton of useful menus on this dash cam. You could actually set the exposure of each individual cameras, including HDR setting, and you could enter your car's info so that it'll stamp the details on the replay. And the GPS tracker not only shows your location, but it'll tell you your speed, how long you've been driving for, average miles per hour, and much more. So I'm definitely going to replace my dash cam. But there are a few negatives with this dash cam, and one of them is price. Now this dash cam is significantly more than my other dash cam, but you're getting much more advanced technology with it. And the parking mode, well, I assumed it had a built-in battery for the price, but you do need to hardwire it to the car. And my current dash cam actually has a built-in battery that'll last up to 24 hours. But the flip side is, if your car is parked for more than 24 hours and something happens, well, it's not gonna capture anything, and it'll only record if there's an impact to the car. Whereas the hardwired dash cam has an impact and motion detection recording during parking mode. But even if you don't go with Vanture Dash Cam, just get a dash cam on your car. And I can't stress enough how important having a dash cam is. It could save you a lot of stress in an accident and prove your innocence. And not only driving accidents, but if there was an incident when your car was parked, well, you could use those footages to file for claims. And great example is in Asia countries, most of the car has a dash cam, and most of them are hardwired to the car. And that acts as a CCTV, and it has captured a lot of the crimes and actually has put criminals behind bars because of those footages. So for your safety and others, get a dash cam on your car. So I want to thank everyone for tuning in today, and I hope this video was informative to you guys. And until next time, keep chasing adventures, and bye for now.